All right, guys, here we go. Seat project. We're gonna go ahead and correct the nice rip in the seat. This nice side bolster. We're gonna repair all this with a Bondo agent and paint. Finally got.
Yep. It sure is. What are you doing?
So, should have filmed myself earlier, but I did the bonding agent on these guys. Filled them in. I might do a little bit more touch up here. But all this was ripped and wrecked. This was horrible. Just a cut here. All that was just worn out, beat. So all I gotta do is fill in these cracks with this bonding agent, which I'll show you here. That'll seal. And you just paint it to match. Typically they have just a generic color, so these are black, so lucky me. This seat is the driver or passenger seat, excuse me, and it's just worn out. But the bonding agent that I'm using from some paint company my wife uses called Heirloom Paints, leather and vinyl repair compound. So bonding flex. These guys are good because she gets all her paints from them for the house and inside house. All right, guys, here we go. So they've dried overnight. I think me and my counterpart gonna let them dry a little bit longer. Do a quick sand down of all the gunk. Get it flat. This was the worst part, so that looks good. Only part I didn't like is on the edge right there. It's peeking out some of the stuff, so I might just do another reseal on that part. But coming out nice. You just gotta let them sit a good 24 to 48 hours. These have been sitting now for a little over 24 hours. So here we go, guys. So day 2 of getting these things. They Bondo is like a paste that just fills in all the cracks and rips. And you just gotta wet sand it out. And we got a nice paint to paint it with, and that's what we're gonna do here. So this is the driver's seat. I am gonna fix some of this rust and shit, get this off, but yeah, looks pretty good. Stock seats look good. There you go. They look good. I agree. You can only tell if you get really close up.